How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another new year, new episode of Fishing with Me, DYangBass. Again, I just want to wish you guys a happy new year. I'm so excited to be with you guys this year again, 2022. I don't have much to say. I don't know, I have this on me. It's really foggy in here, so I might be doing this a lot. Yeah, I'm out here on the new lake. As you guys can see, I'm all set up in my shanty. No, I'm not white fishing yet. I'm still crappie / walleye fishing. I'm just messing around up here in northern Wisconsin. I got the jaw jacker. I got a fathead minnow on there just to see what happened. This is my stationary area basically. I'm gonna go on a whole hop out there. It is kind of windy. The wind is supposed to slow down up to like 5 miles per hour, which is perfect for hole hopping. You definitely don't want to be out there when it's 10 to 15 miles per hour wind. It's just not fun hole hopping out there. But I drove 4.5 hours away. It was crappy out there. It was really crappy out there, driving in the snow, waiting for trucks to plow the area, and so on and so on. So it took me a while to get up here, but it's okay. We're out here now, and I'm just really excited to be out here and fish for some crappies, walleyes, bluegills, whatever's out here. Do some research, and hopefully we make a video happen. So with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys out on the ice. I'm so excited. Thank you guys all so much for the support. I love y'all, and I'll see you guys on the water. So before we get busy, I want to show you guys my setup here. You guys can see, you guys been following me on Instagram, I picked up a new otter cabin. Now DYang, why did you pick up such a small shanty, right? I mean, this is good for 2 people, right? It's good for white fishing, crappie fishing, whatever. Now, why did you pick up a small shanty? I'm always fishing by myself. I'm a loner. I don't have no friends. And 2, this guy right here. This heat can heat up this room up to 70 to 72 degrees according to like the videos I watch on YouTube. And to be honest right now, it's really warm in here, and I'm not even that much layered up. I just got a jacket, my thermal, my hoodie, and my jacket on, and my bib for like when I walked out here. It's really warm. I do have my new fan, you guys can see here, from Clam. This thing is really cool. Basically, it's an LED light, and you can push the heat back down. So all that heat wasted, if it is freezing temp out here, this guy right here will keep the heat pressing down onto your body to keep everything warm, keep everything stationed, and so on and so on. Basically, don't freeze up the area. So this thing's really cool. I'm glad I invested in it. It's pretty cheap. It's like $25, $27, something like that. But other than that, this is my spot. Again, great for 2 people, maybe 3. It's really cool. I mean, it works for me. Keeps me nice and warm. That's all I really need. And I'm gonna go out there and hole hop. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys out on the ice. Let's do this. All right, so the hole hopping begins. And I forgot my GoPro mount. Darn. For my Vexler. I was gonna record some like Vexler action, but hey, it's okay. Let's get to some fishing here. Drill some holes, and hopefully we can find them, because it's just me today. Let's hope for the best. Yeah, I'll take some crappies. See what happens. Just gonna drill around here. Drill to the deep, basically. Sometimes you just gotta drop a bait down, you know. I got my little pad here. Holy cow, it's a little messy out here today. I hope it calms down. There it comes, there it comes. I got 2. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, there he is, there he is. I see him. Oh, oh, this is cool. Nice. Got him. There you go. Oh, and it's upside down. It's okay. That's a nice fish. Oh, geez. And it's, oh gosh, it's pulling. Oh, it's a nice crappie. Nice. First fish of the day. I'll show you guys in a bit. Hold on. There's still some, like, there's like 3 of them in there. Oh, geez. Just came up and wrecked it. Put him in a sled so it's not so, like, frozen and stuff. Let's see if we catch another one. Oh, keep moving since they moved. It's good. Nice. We got one. Oh my god, he froze already. Jeez. Dip him in the water real quick. There you go. Yeah, it's a nice little, like I said, these are all pretty nice eaters right here. I want to say a good solid, probably 9-10 incher. Good eats. Put them in the sled so it doesn't like get all like snowy and stuff. Oh, got fish. Fish. Got him. Oh, just when I was gonna go on my phone. Good eater. That's another nice fish to eat. I like it. Good old, oh, just chill. Oh, okay, and you get yourself all snowed up now. What a way to start off 2022, man. Oh yeah. Yes, I have my little pick right there, but I'm just too lazy right now. Alright, we'll be keeping that guy. So we'll keep a few. Didn't drive 4 hours away from nothing. Oh, I got another fish. I got two. Oh my gosh. I got two on me. No, my phone. Oh no! No! I missed him. Oh, there's a school. Let's go. Got him. Dude just hammered it. Holy cow. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Yep, here we go. Show you guys real quick. Gotta get back down there because these fish are hot. Chill, buddy. Oh, just, dude, there's freaking 5 of them down there. Go, 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 go. They're still there. They're still there. Come on. They're still there. There he comes. There he comes. There he comes. And he's on. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. This is a nice one. It's not that big. Oh, it's a fighter. Yeah, we'll let this one go. This one's small. Yep. That one goes back in. Go ahead. Stir up the slush for me. No, I wasn't recording. I got a nice fish on. Dude came out of nowhere. Finally. There's another one down there. The pick is right here. There we go. Nice fish. Ah, and I hooked myself. I wasn't recording, but got a nice one. Good enough. Jeez, that guy came flying. Oh, there's another one down there. It's like you catch one and then they're gone. Alright, I'm gonna walk back to the shanty. Sit down, relax. Make some breakfast. I'm hungry. And yeah. They got fish on. Oh, I got fish on. Nice. What is this? Oh my gosh. Got fish. Oh, it's a big crappie. Whoa. I came back into my shanty. I got this nice slab. Oh, it's all foggy. No. Oh gosh. That's a nice crappie right there. Oh, you're staying here with me, buddy. Because we are struggling. Alright, so now that we are back in the shack, trying to warm up here. Alright, put that there. I should put like a, no, I'm not going to put a minnow on this one. But yeah, I'm going to cook because I'm hungry. Alright, so first we're going to bend this flat-ish. You don't want to break it, but you just want to bend it a little bit. Turn it upside down. Hook it up. Like that. Alright. Now, take some aluminum foil. Wrap it. Okay, make sure it's the right side up. Okay, just like that. I'm going to use this little cager to support it just in case I do something stupid and I knock it over. Alright. Just like that. Alright, cool. Now, all you got to do is turn it on. let it heat up a little bit. Let me burn up the I don't know, bacteria, I guess you guys want to call it. So yeah, it's pretty cool. A little bucket here. Yeah. Hopefully our jaw dragon goes. And I dropped all my shrimp. No. Oh, that's so bad. Dang, is this still gonna be good? I don't know. Not all of them, but we're gonna find out. I think it's still good, right? Just lake water. Dang, dude, that sucks. Definitely can't eat all of them now, but whatever. We're gonna find out real quick if I get sick or not. I can get E. coli or something. Oh yeah, that's ready. That's some good stuff. Oh yeah, lake water tastes amazing. Here you go, guys. You see that? Delicious. I'm gonna hang in here for a little bit, just to relax. We're gonna go find some more crappies. We'll see. We got all day. We got all day. There's no rush. I'm just hoping this wind dies down. Nope, it's still windy outside. So these are the average size crappie for you guys. These are the good eater. These are like the 9-10 incher. So if you guys want to keep them, these are perfect. Anything bigger like 13, 14, 15s, I kind of feel bad and just let them go. But yeah, this right here, it's good eat. Perfect fillet. Look at the back. Oh jeez, just broke his jaw. Nice back to it. Alright, it's a good fish. Fat old fish. Yeah, this guy too, but this guy's frozen. Yeah, they came outside, they just like locked up right away. So yeah, good fish. There's fish down there. Come on. Yes, sir. It's a perch. Got him. That's a perch. I think it's a perch. Oh, it's a bluegill. Oh, what? Where'd you come from, dude? Wow. That's pretty cool. First bluegill. Where the heck did you come from? I should use for bait. Just kidding. I'll let you go back. Attempt number 2, 3. Whew. Ate some good brunch. We got about like 4 hours to search and destroy. So hopefully we can do that. I'm just gonna go to the holes that I was doing good at. Cause I just feel like it's the right spot. I think there's one of them right here. Oh cow, it's all frozen. Oh, here it is, here it is. He's coming, he's coming. Got him, yeah. What is this? It's a bluegill. It's running in a circle. Oh. Oh, it's a perch. Whoa, you're a fat dude. You're a fat perch. Oh, okay. We downsize. We got a pale looking perch flying right up from the bottom. Look at that thing, guys. Ain't that cool? Look how fat it is. Alright, back you go, buddy. Go, go, go. Here we go. Here we go. Go, go. Take it. Take it. No. Oh my gosh. Like, kissed it. Ah, oh, you little sucker. Those gotta be freaking perch. Got him. That's a freaking perch. Those are perch. Yep, there you go. Another perch. I knew it. Just the way how they were behaving. Yeah, these would be good eats. Y'all wanted them, but I don't want them. I want crappies. Got him. That's a crappie. We got them. Oh my god, there's 3, 4 down there. Oh my gosh. Yep, little guy. chill, relax, relax. I'm gonna let you go. Oh, jeez. Come on, relax, relax. There's a few of y'all down there. Oh man, they're gone. No. See ya. Oh my. It's so tiny. It's a perch. Oh, I mean, it's still good eats, but I just don't want any perch today. Maybe going back. I was just saying how I should like upsize a little bit to catch a bigger crappie. Got him. That's a nice one. There's a school down there. Please stay on. Please stay on. Oh, that's a nice one. Yep, finally a keeper. Oh, jeez. Relax, relax. It's a good fish. I gotta hurry. Ah, freaking glove. Get back down there. Go, 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 go. Ah, and they're gone. No. Got him. There we go. I turned on my back, there's a bunch of fish right on top of me. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a really nice one. Oh, jeez. There we go. I gotta hurry up. I'll show you guys in a bit here. Just gotta get back down there. Let's go down there. Yes. Show you guys real quick what I got. Nice little, like I said, same old 9-10 incher. It's a good fish. Oh, jeez. Relax. Right there. Got him. That's a nice one. Finally. No, it's wrapped. Ah. It's just a fighter. But I'll keep. Fish on there. Hi guys, there's a fish on it. There we go. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, it's a freaking perch. Dude, he swallowed it too. Oh, got it back. Little guy. Jeez.